In this video tutorial, you'll tour the My Milestone Business Lounge for resellers and view some of its tools. First, we need to log into My Milestone. We enter our name and password and then select Login. We select Reseller Portal. If the Reseller Portal doesn't appear in your My Milestone account, contact your Milestone representative to request access. Let's look at what's available to us in the Business Lounge. Some of these options may not appear on your account. To request access to additional options, contact your Milestone representative. In getting started, we can download useful documents to get up and running. We will use My Daily Tools to access calculators and view partner classification. Software registration is where we register and activate our customer software. The customer dashboard allows us to monitor the health of our customers' VMS systems. Milestone Care Portal for partners allows us to submit and view our VMS support cases. And project registration is an easy way to keep track of our proposals and get discounts. The Business Lounge is frequently updated with new product-related information. Here's where we'll find information on recent software releases and other supporting products, product announcements, and sales and marketing tools. We can also view webinars here. Now let's take a closer look at the Getting Started section where we can access several tools to help our business. We can view benefits of partnership and can access Milestone sales tools or find a contact for our region. We could explore the benefits of the Channel Partner Program, and we can find answers to our questions in the step-by-step guides. The Deployment Best Practice contains best practices for VMS installation, and dozens of tutorials are also available on YouTube. Now let's explore My Daily Tools. Under My Daily Tools, we can register projects and see price lists. We can estimate hardware needs with the XProtect Server Calculator and the Milestone Husky Calculator. The XProtect Server Calculator can be used to spec new systems or as a means of a system health check. We just enter the relevant current information of the system, compare the results to the original spec, and see if there is a way to improve performance. The Milestone Husky Calculator helps us find the right Husky solution for small to mid-range installations. We can also access partner classification here, as well as training and certification. And we can access collateral and catch up on Milestone news. You just saw an overview of some of the things available in the My Milestone Business Lounge for resellers. Visit our YouTube site to view other tutorials in this playlist.